Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook macaroni pasta. First, select a large pot. This is crucial to give your pasta enough room to move and cook properly. For every 1 pound of macaroni, you'll want to use at least 4 to 6 quarts of water. Before you even think about boiling, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. This seasons the pasta from the inside out, making a huge difference in flavor. Once your water is salted, bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. This means big, active bubbles all over the surface. Now, carefully add your macaroni pasta to the rapidly boiling water. It's super important to stir the pasta immediately and continuously for the first minute or so. This prevents the individual pieces from sticking to each other or to the bottom of the pot, ensuring a perfectly cooked batch. Now for the cooking itself. Macaroni typically cooks for about 7 to 10 minutes, but always check your package directions for the most accurate timing. Remember to stir the pasta occasionally while it cooks. This helps with even heat distribution. The goal is al dente, which means firm to the bite, but not hard or mushy. Just taste a piece to check for that perfect texture. Once your macaroni reaches that ideal al dente stage, it's time to drain it. Carefully pour the pasta and water into a colander placed in your sink. A crucial tip: do not rinse your pasta. Rinsing washes away the starches that help your sauce cling beautifully to each piece. Serve your perfectly cooked macaroni immediately with your favorite sauce, a sprinkle of cheese, or whatever your recipe calls for. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.